Okay, let's start our topic. Number one, relations and function. Do you know, students? Can anyone tell me what is relation? Relation क्या होता है? Can anyone tell me the definition of relation? तो बता सकते हैं relation किसे कहते हैं? Function किसे कहते हैं? Whatever the definition is of in your mind, please share with me. अगर आपको पता है relations and functions किसे कहते हैं? Do you know you have studied about the functions? ये आपने study किया है functions को पहले, just like in science हमारे जो organ function करते हैं, heart function. In the same way, mathematics also perform some functions. Are you getting my point, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Dear student, I have a question. If we put our into the blender, so which kind of juice we will get? हम ऑरेंज रखते हैं ब्लेंडर के अंदर तो हमें जूस कौन सा मिलेगा? Kind of juice we will get. Can you see the relation and function is seen on the screen? Students, hello. Can you see?
Yes, miss. Hello, miss.
Hello, can you see the lecture?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. If we put every time we put an okay. Every time we put orange into a blender and orange juice is produced. If we put mango into, we get mango juice. Under no circumstances we get orange juice by putting in some other types of fruit.
मिस आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
Students, listen to me carefully.
थोड़ी झूठे.
Students, listen to me carefully.
Yes, miss.
Third line, please see third line. Under no circumstances will we get orange juice by putting other types of fruit. It means that if we put
मेरे पास एक इन्फ्लुएंस में दोनों काम चलते हैं पर वो दूंगी.
if we put strawberry into the blender, so we will get orange juice or strawberry juice. We will get, if we put a strawberry into the blender, we will get strawberry juice, strawberry shake.
Yes.
Okay. Now, dear students, function. In mathematics, we can define an operation on a set of numbers so that every time we apply operator on a set of numbers on such a given number x, say we'll always get a result y. In simple words, we can say that when we have function or equation like this, when we have function, please don't worry about the difficult wording. I am explaining you. Listen to me carefully. Students, you can see that equations x plus y is equal to 3. Are you getting my point? X plus y is equal to 3. And if I put x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 in the equation, instead of x, I write 1 plus y is equal to 3. I got value of when I put value of x, when I get value of x, when I put value of x in the function, I get the value of y. In the mathematics, I'm going to explaining again, student. When I put the value of x into the equation, then I get the result of y. यानी कि हम इस क्वेश्चन के अंदर अगर x की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे तो हमें कौन सा आंसर मिलेगा? We get the value of y. This is the definition of function in mathematics. Every input has only output. अगर हम कोई input दे रहे तो हमें output भी मिलेगा. In the same way, if we put the value of x and in such a way we get the answer of this operation. This operation is known as function. You can see on the screen x plus y is equal to, and I have value x is equal to 1. Please focus. X is equal to 1. Here in question, X is equal to 1. 1 plus Y is equal to 3. When 1 here is heading, on another side, it come into, it can shift with the minus sign, plus sign, change into minus. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. This is the answer of Y. How? When I put the value of X, I got the answer of Y. Is that clear, students? Got it? समझ आया आपको? This is definition of function. Don't worry about it. I'm just explaining and clear the concept. Inshallah, you can all short these slides through the WhatsApp. मैं आपको WhatsApp पे send कर दूँगी. Okay? Just listen to me very carefully. Don't worry about it. Now, next topic is relation. You know, students, when we talk about our relation, means you are the brother of your sister, you are the father, Farhan is the father of Shehzad, and Alisha is the elder sister of the Sara. These are the relations. In the same way, in mathematics, we talk about its 90 degree is perpendicular, x-axis is equal to y-axis, and this line is parallel, perpendicular. In mathematical language, these are the relations. In real life, when we talk about relation, this is the father of, she is the mother of, Sarah is the auntie of, and so on. These are the examples of relation. And I am going to introduce and teaching you a new definition of relation. You can see on the screen. A relation connect elements in set A. You can see set A. This is known as domain A. Set A. This is known as domain A. This is set B. This is known as codomain B. Domain A, and it's the element of A. Domain B, it's these are the elements of B. Are you getting my point, class? All students? Okay. A relation connects element in set A to element in set B according to the definition of relation. Means domain A's element connect with arrow with codomain B. Domain A4 connect with 1 or which is the element of codomain B. Domain A element 6 is connect with domain B2. यानी कि आप यू कैन सी ऑन द स्क्रीन, आपको नजर आ रहा है 2 कनेक्ट हो रहा है 2 के साथ, 4 इज कनेक्टेड विद 1, 6 इज आल्सो कनेक्टेड विद 2. मींस domain A's element is connecting by codomain elements. This is the relation between the domain A element and the domain B element. Okay, this is the relation I am going to telling you. Now you can see another figure also. You can see another figure also. Wait. Okay. Yes. You can see another above figure also. This is how. You can see in the diagram above figure in which 3 elements in domain A, whereas 2 elements are present in codomain B. Please students, very carefully listen to me and see this screen and video. It's a very important lecture. Domain A has 3 elements, codomain B has 2 elements. Okay. In domain A, 3 elements are linked with codomain B. Okay. And in figure 2, you can see domain A has 3 elements, whereas domain B has also 3 elements. Domain A के पास भी 3 elements है figure number 2 में, you can see, and codomain B में भी आपके पास 3 elements हैं. In second figure, you can see 2 is connecting with A and 3 is connecting with सी, कैन यू सी? आपको नजर आ रहा है स्क्रीन के ऊपर स्टूडेंट्स? कैन यू सी ऑन द स्क्रीन? Okay. When you compare the above two, when you compare these two figures, in which first figure 3 elements are connected with 2 elements, and in second figure 3 elements are connected with 3 elements, in which it means that this is first figure is also the definition of relation, is also the definition and the diagram of relation and function. Let's see the wording of this diagram. This second diagram is a special kind of relation that we call one-to-one function. That we call one-to-one function. Student, remember the one thing is that domain A element must be covered with codomain element. मतलब कहने का मतलब ये है कि domain A के जो elements हैं वो हमेशा कोडमेन के साथ लिंक्ड रहेंगे। अगर मैंने कोई एक को छोड़ दिया मतलब मींस इफ आई disappeared this arrow like this। अब ये देखिए यहाँ पर मैंने डोमेन ए के एलिमेंट को कनेक्ट नहीं किया, मींस फर्स्ट एलिमेंट इज नॉट कनेक्टेड विद कोडोमेन बीज एलिमेंट। इट्स मीन इट डज नॉट फुलफिल द डेफिनेशन ऑफ फंक्शन। यहाँ पर एक एलिमेंट डोमेन ए का कनेक्टेड नहीं है, लिंक्ड नहीं है कोडोमेन के साथ। दिस एग्जाम्पल does not fulfill the definition of function। ये function की example नहीं होगा। This is not considered the definition of function। लेकिन but you can see in figure number 2 all elements in domain A must be covered, must be connected with the codomain B elements। यानी कि हमेशा covered connected रहना है डोमेन बी के एलिमेंट्स के साथ। आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? ओके, एलिमेंट अच्छा अब देखें डोमेन एक एलिमेंट का सेकंड कोडोमेन के साथ एक से लिंक्ड है। 1 is connected with B, 2 is connecting with B, 3 is connecting with C। So these are one to one. This type of example is also known as one-to-one function। This is also the definition of the example of function, and this type of example is known as one-to-one function। Let's see the definition. A function is, don't need to write it, I'll send it through the WhatsApp, don't need to write it, just listen to me carefully and see it। A function is also called a mapping। A function is also called a mapping। Mapping means student you can see ये जो हम एरो के जरिए इसको कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं ना एक फिगर को दूसरी फिगर के थ्रू, मैपिंग कहलाता है। क्या कहलाता है? what we call mapping। okay, a function is a relation in which every element in domain has a unique image in codomain। Every element in domain A is in the domain unique image in B। यानी कि this is element and B is the image of element A in domain, यानी कि हर एक का एक अपना image है। This is the definition of function। Again I am repeating, a function is a relation in which element in the domain has a unique image। हर एक domain के अंदर element का अपना image होगा, वो क्या कहलाएगा? function। okay, आपके पास you have a task is that dear students, आपके पास task आज का ये है, you can also note it down or I'll send it through WhatsApp, to draw the figure of arrows diagram that defines a function as well as one-to-one function from real life example at least 5। आपको इस तरह की जिस तरह की as you can see in the example, ये आपको डायग्राम्स नजर आ रही है गर्ल्स, स्टूडेंट्स, बॉयज?
Yes, miss.
ये आपके पास इस तरह के ये एग्जांपल्स हैं। आपने you will also find out some real life example। डोमेन ए में लेट सपोज आपने सारा लिखा, सारा, महा,
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही सही से।
आपने कोई और नाम आपने you can write any other name and listen to me। hello students,
Yes, miss.
आई एम गोइंग टू टेलिंग यू, आपका टास्क ये है, आपको रियल लाइफ एग्जांपल देनी है. मीन्स इन डोमेन ए यू कैन पुट सारा, महा, रिदा, एंड इन को डोमेन बी you will write Ali, Hamza, and you will connect the Sara with Hamza as a brother. You will Maha with Rida as a sister. इस तरह से आपने रियल लाइफ एग्जांपल मुझे सेंड करनी है होमवर्क में. दिस इज योर टास्क एंड आई विल सेंड इट थ्रू द व्हाट्सएप. Is there any confusion? Getting my point, Halima Ahmad? Any other student?
Yes, miss.
Okay. If you have any
Yes,
query,
miss.
okay. If you have any query, you can ask with me. Okay. Now let's forward question number 1. Question number 1 is on the screen. Given the function of x, you can see the situation or question. Please don't need to worry about it. That what is that? Just understand it.
अब मेरी अम्मी बोलती है लगी है कल क्लास.
Please stop it. Just understand. Okay. Now listen to me, class. Function of x. First function you have given. Please don't need to worry about it. Listen to me. 3x plus 2 and g of x. This is second function, 5x minus 4. Find the value of each of the following. Function of 2, g of 3, function of 1 plus g of 2 means. First of all, listen to me carefully and understand it to me. Please listen to me.
चेक करा दे.
Listen to me. Please stop it. Hello.
Hello.
हाँ
Yes,
जी.
miss.
Please stop it. Listen to me carefully. Don't need to.
Yes.
Stop. Okay. Now, dear students, you can see the question on the screen.
Yes,
So
miss.
our first function is function of x is equal to 3x plus 2. And you will have to find the function of 2. F of 2, you have given f of x 3x plus 2. And you will have to find f of 2. Here you can see that f of 2 means f of x is equal to f of 2 means you have x is equal to, here you have 3x plus 2. So instead of x की जगह पर आप क्या पुट करेंगे? 2. 3 to the
given the function.
yes, the value is given in the question. 3 plus 2 and plus 2. 3 to the 6. 6 plus 2, 8. In the same way, you have another function, second function, g of x you have given, and you will have to find out g of 3's value.
तुम लोग को समझ में आया?
Hello? Can you hear me? Okay. So we are talking about. Very carefully. Hello, student.
मुझे कुछ समझ में आया?
Okay. Now you have given question. Second question function you have g of x is equal to 5x minus 4, and you will have to find out the value of g of 3. Means you have given 5x minus 4 value of gx, and here you will have to find g of 3 means you have given x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. You will put it x question 5 3 bracket with bracket minus 4. 5 3s are 15. 15 minus 4 is equal to 11. Are you getting my point? Dear students, okay. Actually, now question number part third. F of 1 plus g of 2. You will do it by yourself. I am giving you as a homework. It's a very easy question. As like above example, means first of all what you have to first of all find out the value of 1.
मैं समझ में नहीं आ रहा.
मैंने आपसे कहा बेटा listen to me, don't read about it. Listen to me. Just like you will you will have to find the function of, please listen carefully class, function of 1 plus of 2. Here you can see that function
Miss, given the function question number 1. हमारा का नहीं चल रहा.
see g of 3 instead of 1, this is the value of see 3 of 1 plus 2 and plus equation of g I bracket minus 4. What will be the answer, dear students? Here, function of x, this is the function of x, and I put the value of x. Here, this is the equation of g of x. Here I put value of g. Getting my point? If you have confusion, then okay. Okay, let's change the question. I am changing the question. I am giving you easy question. Okay, beta, I am changing the question for your clear confusion. Okay, you will separately find out. आपने ये सवाल हल करना है. Find out class. Listen to me. You will have to find out function of 1 and g of 2. Can you see on the screen? ये दोनों आपको इसी तरह solve करने हैं. This is your homework. Okay. Okay class. Okay. Here is very big question. Let's solve it right now. आप लोग मुझे अभी ये solve करके दिखाइए. Hurry up. Solve it right now. Put the what is find out. आपको ये find out करना है. जल्दी से मुझे करके बताएं कैसे solve होगा. Hurry up. I'm waiting. Solve function of 1. You can take the help from the above example. The method is same as in above. बिल्कुल मेथड होगा. ये जैसे ऊपर जहाँ भी you can see. Please solve it the help of above equation and tell me the answer. Hurry up class. You have 1 minute. Are you solving, Halima? Halima, solve it. Hamza, Ahmed Raza, Kareem, Shabash, Tabish. Please solve the question.
Yes, miss.
Solve the question. You need to say yes, miss, solve it. As like the above example. What you have to do? This is question, this is equation, and you have x is equal to 1. Put the value of x and then solve it. Can you solve it? No? Halima?
मैं कौन सा पार्ट सॉल्व करना है?
Okay.
मिस किसी की शोर आ रहा है किसी मैं शोर बहुत हो रहा है.
Listen to me. Wait. Yes.
कौन सा पार्ट सॉल्व करना है?
This part, function of 1. Method is that function of given you have given function of x. This is the method. Function of x you have given 3x plus 2. Okay. Then
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Then put the value of x of 1. What is the value of x? यहाँ पे x की value क्या है, students?
मैं बोल रही हूँ आपने
X is equal to here. What is the value of x here? X is equal to 1. And then put x is equal to 1 and then put bracket 3 ones are 3 plus 2. We got 3 ones are 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Here we got function of x is equal to 5. Got it, sir? बेटा समझ आया? क्लास समझ आया आपको? Dear student, you will have to find out the value of g of 2. आपको find out करनी है g of 2, ये आपका homework है और यहाँ पर third part is given as this is not a third part. Third part I have solved for you. You will solve the fourth part is given as you. And in the same way, you can take the help from this equation. I'll send it through the WhatsApp. Okay, don't need to worry about it. Second question, you have given a function 5x function of x is equal to 5 minus 2x. आपको second function नजर आ रहा है 5 minus 2x. Evaluate आपको इसकी वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. Here you have f of 1. आप क्या करेंगे? x से वहाँ क्या पुट कर देंगे? हलीमा, tell me the answer.
बस पहले वाले का 3 आंसर है.
Which question? Which part? Which part? It's a 5 answer, not a 3. 3 1 3 5. Okay, next question we have. Listen to me. This is the equation. This is function. You have given f of x is equal to 5 minus 2x. Evaluate each of the following. Function of 1 आपको find out करना है. You will also have to find out part 2, which is given x is equal to minus 2. Part 3 you have given function of 0. And please try to solve this part function of 3 plus function of minus 3. मैं ये आपको solve करके दिखा देती हूँ. आपको इस तरह से करना है. Example. बेटा listen to me carefully and see what I am going to do. Let's suppose I have example function of minus 1 and plus function of, you can see function of, let's suppose 3.
नहीं आ रही.
बेटा listen to me, देखिए हो जाएगा ना. Listen to me carefully and see it clearly. आपको ये given है. You let's suppose ये आपको question given है. Okay, real equation you have given this. आपके पास you have two things are available. Number 1 equation function of x is equal to 5 minus 2x, and you will have to find out this. आपको ये find out करना है इसके through. Given equation you have, class please listen to me carefully. Given equation you have function of x is equal to 5 minus 2x. ये आपको given है, question में given है. Okay, और आपको find out क्या करना है? ये this one you will have to find out. Now function यहाँ पर अब आप देखिए, पहले आप find out करेंगे. Okay, first of all आप पहले find out करेंगे function of minus 1. Bracket minus 1 is equal to 5 minus bracket minus 1. यहाँ पर आपको क्या आंसर आएगा स्टूडेंट? 5 minus minus 2 ones are minus plus here. 5 minus minus plus and 2 ones are 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Next part we have function of plus 3. Function of 3. Real question you have given 5 minus 2 instead of x की जगह पे अब हमें क्या given है? 3. Means 5 plus 2, put the value of x 3, you have given 5 minus 2 3s are 6. 5 minus 6 is equal to minus 1. And then you will have to merge the value according to given question. First of all, you find function of minus 1 and then you find function of 3, and now according to given condition add these terms. Add these just like me. It's just like I am doing. I am solving here. Please take it seriously, class. Minus 1 plus function of 3. You have
टीचर को
given
दिखे क्या करूंगा, सब बच्चों ने अपनी वीडियो स्टॉप करेंगे।
minus
मिस दिख
1 what? You can see on the screen the solution of the combined function now you can see. Now this is, don't need to copy down it Abdul Kareem. I will send it through the WhatsApp there. ये मैं आपको WhatsApp पे send कर दूंगी, आप note down बाद में कर लीजिए. Okay dear. Okay. I'm here giving you.
सब दोबारा हो गया।
I am giving you a question. Find out G3. Yes, dear. I will send you homework on the. I'll send it on the part 3. You have find out G of 2. G of symbol can be used. Any symbol can be used. I hope you prepared the after taking this class. This is the end of the class. Hope you guys enjoyed the class and understand what I taught you. Now it's the time to end the class. Allah Hafiz student. We will see you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.
Yes.